Step 1. Grab your phone or laptop. Step 2. Watch the video in question. Step 3. Get paid. How easy is that? Take a look at all of these payments that people have been receiving thus far for every single video that they watch. This shows that this is a legit method and actually works. Here's the best part. You can watch as many videos as you want and get paid every single time for doing so. And lastly, you obviously don't require any skills for this and anyone can do this. With all of that said, guys, even though this is a great and legit way to get paid online, it'll not make you rich and is not a reliable source of income long term. So if you want to see how I went from nothing to making money online full-time in pure passive income, giving me the freedom and time I always sought, then be sure to check out the very first link in the description box below. Welcome to Dr. Profit, where we prescribe you with ways of earning money online. If you like this type of content, consider giving us a like, commenting down below, and subscribing to the channel. We regularly release new ways of making a profit, so it's a good idea to ring that bell icon to be notified each time we upload a new video. Alright, let's get back into the video. Okay, so as you heard in the intro, today I'm gonna show you how to make money by watching videos. Now, before some of you go ahead and skip ahead of the video, please understand that this is not your typical way to make money by watching videos. It's a little different, and you'll need to watch every single second of this video in order to set this up properly. If you just skip ahead, you might not know what you need to do. You might just waste your time, and this might not work for you in the end, so please be patient and keep watching while I'll explain everything. Now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's get the first thing you'll need to do. And that will be to go to YouTube, because it is on YouTube that you'll be viewing videos and getting paid. But before we get to that part, you must first sign in to YouTube. To do so, click on Sign In the upper right corner here, and then enter your email address and password to log in. If you don't already have a Google account, you'll need to establish one first. To do so, go ahead and click Create Account right over here. On the next page, fill in your full name in these two boxes, your brand new email address just below, and finally, type and retype your password as confirmation in these two boxes, and then click Next here. You will then be prompted to fill out a few more fields before being able to sign up. Now, when you log in to your YouTube account, you'll notice an Explore button on the left-hand side, which you should click. On the next page, you'll need to select Gaming, and what this will do now is show you the videos in the gaming niche that are doing particularly well and receiving large number of views, and it's these videos that can help us make some money online. The next step is for you to choose one of these games. Which one you choose doesn't really matter as long as it's popular, and with the gaming niche being so large and popular, you can't really go wrong. In any case, if you choose any of those games, you will now be able to find specific videos, and all of them are receiving massive amounts of views that are increasing by the minute. So what you guys should do now is leave this page alone and go to the second website we'll be using today to get paid. This website, 7r6.com, is a location where you can shorten the links to some of those films and earn money. As you can see down here, you will first register an account, then shorten the link to any website out there, and you will be paid. It's that simple. Now, the reason they'll pay you for shortening links is that when you shorten a link to any website, not just any link to a YouTube video, and someone clicks on that link, they will first be redirected to an external page where they'll see a bunch of ads, and then they will be redirected to the destination site. This website gets money via ad income, which is also how YouTube makes money, and the ad revenue is split between the person who shortened the link and this platform. It's that simple. With that stated, let me now teach you what you should do when you first get on this site. And as you may know, you must first register an account before you can get paid. So, to do so, simply click the sign up button in the upper right corner of this page, which will take you to this page where you can sign up by entering your username, email address, and password, ticking this box, and lastly, clicking the register button below to complete the process. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say, and it's now time to get back to work and earn some money. This is how things will look when you go into your fresh new account. You can see your total number of views here, as well as your total earnings, referral earnings, and average CPM. To shorten a link, simply click on the new shorten link right here. You'll then copy it and paste it into this box, then click shorten to complete the process. Once you've made some money from those shortened links, you'll be able to withdraw it by clicking the withdraw button to the left here. Now that you have an account, all you have to do is shorten links to get money. The links we'll want to shorten are these YouTube films, and while you may copy and shorten links from any of these videos, here's a pro tip to help you earn more money. Focus on live videos in particular. As I previously stated, you're not required to do so, but by doing so, you'll be able to maximize your results. To have YouTube only display you live videos, simply click on live here, and that's all. Now, the next step is to open up any of these, such as this one, and to locate the video's URL, simply click on share here and you'll be able to copy it. Return to this platform and paste it into this box. Then click on shorten below to complete the transaction. You'll want to repeat what I just showed you for at least 3 videos, and the more links to different videos that you shorten, the more money you'll be able to make. And now that we've shortened a few different links to a few different videos, all you need is a traffic source. You need people to click on your link in order for you to be paid, and I've got 2 great traffic sources to share with you. The first is Steam, or more specifically, steamcommunity.com, a forum where people discuss gaming-related topics. On here, you can find hundreds of thousands of posts about various games, and this site also receives millions of monthly visits. These 2 features make it the ideal traffic source for us because in the end, we want to share shortened links to YouTube gaming videos. So, write an account on this site first, and once you've done that, all you have to do now is receive clicks on your abbreviated links, create a post on this platform where you'll share your shorted links, and that's it. You can now sit back, relax, while your link receives thousands upon thousands of clicks. Now, with all of that said, Steam Community is far from the only forum where you can share your shortened links. Another one is moot.us, where you can practically do the same thing as Steam Community. Sign up for a free account, publish and share your shorter links, and get a lot of clicks. Simple as that. Now, from there you can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the profits. With all of that said and done, as I said in the beginning, if you want to make money online long term, be sure to check out the first link down in the description box below. And if you want more strategies to make money online, be sure to click on one of the 2 videos visible on the screen right now. That's it for today. Thank you for watching Dr. Profit, the channel where we prescribe you with ways of earning money online in order to make a profit. Try the method we showed you today and tell us about what types of content you'd like us to cover next in the comment section below. And with that said, we'll see you guys next time.